Here's how to change default system font in Windows 11. To do that, open File Explorer and select the C drive from the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the Windows folder, then open it and scroll down again until you find the Fonts folder. Inside this folder, you'll see all of the fonts currently installed on your computer. Choose the font you want to use and take note of its name. For example, I'm going to use Candera. I'll open Notepad and make a note of the font name so I can refer back to it later. If you don't like any of the fonts already installed, you can also download additional fonts through the Microsoft Store. Once you've chosen your font and open the Start menu, search for Registry Editor and open the application. Before making any changes to the Registry Editor, it's always a good idea to create a backup. This allows you to restore the original settings if you decide you don't like the changes. To create a backup, click File at the top and select Export. Give the backup a name and then click Save. If you ever want to restore the original font settings, you can return to File, select Import, and choose the backup file you created. Now, from the left-hand panel, expand H key Local Machine, then expand Software, and scroll down until you find Microsoft. Expand Microsoft, scroll down to Windows NT, and expand this folder as well. Next, open CurrentVersion and click on the Fonts folder. On the right-hand side, you'll now see the fonts installed on your computer. Find the font you selected earlier. In my case, I'm looking for Candera. Once you find your font, double-click on it. You'll see the value data for that font. Right-click on the value and select Copy. Now open Notepad and paste the value into it so we can use it later. Once that's done, you can minimize Notepad and the Registry Editor. Next, open the Start menu, search for Notepad, and open it. You'll need to copy and paste the registry code provided in the video description into Notepad. Once you've pasted the code, find the section that says YourFontName. Replace that section with the value data we copied earlier. This value should include the extension of your font file. After replacing it, everything else in the code should remain unchanged. Now click File at the top and select Save As. Give the file a name. I'll call mine Updated Fonts. The important part is that the file uses the .reg extension, so make sure to put same extension. For Save as Type, select All Files. I'll save the file to my desktop and click Save. Now go to your desktop and find the registry file you just created. Right-click on this file. You should have an option to open or merge. Select Open. Windows will ask you to confirm the change, so click Yes to continue. After that, restart your computer so the changes can take effect. Once your computer has restarted, the default font across your Windows 11 PC should now be changed to the font you selected. If you ever want to restore your original font settings, simply find the backup file you created earlier. Right-click on it and select Open or Merge. This will restore your previous font settings and return Windows to its original default font. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.